Get your presentation on. Get your presentation on.
Hi, this is Judd with PresenterMedia. In this video, we're taking a look at the PresenterMedia AI presentation builder, and especially how to build quizzes. So if you're giving a seminar, or if you're a teacher and you're giving a lesson plan, or just for a meeting if you want to create some slides with quizzes on them, here's an easy way to do it. So let's get started. I'm signed into PresenterMedia, and I can get to the AI presentation builder by just on the dashboard by clicking on Start Building with AI, or up on the top navigation I can go to PowerPoint Templates and go to AI Presentation Maker. Either way will take you to the builder. It will open up with the AI presentation wizard open, which will just help you create a presentation about a topic faster. You can choose how many slides you want. We're not going to go use this right now, so I'm going to close out of that by just clicking close. And this will open up the presentation maker in kind of manual mode, where you can click on slides and go through pages of slides and build your own slide deck over here. I'm going to delete that one out I added. And over here is the filters. I'm going to click on title only because I'm going to add a title slide. That looks good. I'm going to click off that filter, and then I'm going to click a filter called quiz, and this will open up the quiz slides. And these are multiple choice slides, and also picture slides, which have a question, and then you got to select which picture is the correct picture. So I can just start adding some slides. It will say in here like correct answer A. So this one it'll be in the A position, the correct answer. This one will be in the B position, along with these as well. They give details about that. Okay, so I'm going to add a picture slide, maybe a couple of these down here, and another picture slide. And then I'm going to put in my subject, lesson plan about the history of Canada. Canada is a beautiful place, beautiful country, such amazing landscapes. Let's talk about that a little bit here. Okay, and then down here where it says choose image style, I'm going to choose stock photography. That's just how the style that these images are going to be built out inside these picture quiz slides that I selected. And I can do that in this section here. I can click auto image before I build and preview, or in the next stage here. So okay, so I have that, and if I want to go into each slide, I can go narrow down more what the slide is going to talk about. So so I can say what is the national symbol. That looks good. Let's see. Let's put what are the official languages. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and you can just go through and fill these in if you want to. Otherwise, AI is just going to build random questions about a lesson plan for the history of Canada. So I'm going to go ahead and build this. And first of all, I'm going to select up here a different color theme. Let's see. Let's go with, yeah, that looks pretty good. How about a blue? Oh yeah, I like that. Nice blue. I can edit the color themes up here if I want to, but I'm just going to go with that for now. And then click out of that, and then go build and preview. And AI will start generating the content and questions for these slides, and it will come up with a response once it's done. Okay, so that has finished, and AI has created all the questions for these slides. I can scroll through them over here on the right, or I can click on the thumbnails over here on the left and preview each slide. For the slides that have images, if you want to regenerate an image, you just can click down below the preview of that slide, and you can click into the images here and then click build an image. And that should take just a few seconds to create. and you can see it created a new Canadian wilderness, and right here's the prompt of what the image will create. So keep that in mind. If I want to add another question slide after I get to this preview phase, I can click this little plus sign underneath each slide, and it will open up these slides to select from. I'm going to use the filter to select quiz slides and add a new slide here, and I can put in what I want this slide to be about. So I could put what question I want this slide to fulfill, or I can just leave it blank and let AI create its own question from the presentation topic I added earlier. Okay, that looks good. I can also change the color here if I want to, but I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm going to go File, Download up here in the top left corner, and then click Download PPTX. And it'll say preparing your new template, and this will just take a few seconds, and then you'll be prompted with a window to save it to your computer, and I will do that. Save. Then I'm going to open PowerPoint, or maybe you're in Google Slides, but I'm going to open PowerPoint, go File, Open, and then find the file to open. If you're in Google Slides, you'd probably save that file to your Google Drive and then open it in Google Slides, or I think you can open it directly inside Google Slides. You can open a PPTX by going to File, Open as well. Okay, I'm going to enable editing in PowerPoint, and you can see all those slides come in and they're ready to go. And I got my title slide here, and I can just click through, and there's some subtle animation. And when I click, so you're going to read the question, or your audience is going to read the question, which of these events marked the beginning of Canada? And then when you click the slide, all the wrong answers go away and you're left with the correct answer. Of course, you want to remove the text that says correct answer A. That's just for you when you're making these slides in the AI generator, so you know which one is the correct answer. Okay, and then yeah, you would want to go through all these and remove where it says what the correct answer is, and you're ready to go and present to your team, to your students, to your seminar. You can add these to presentations you've already created to add a question slide as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful, and you can start making your own question slides. Tune in for the next video that I come out with. You can like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates when a new video is released. All right, happy presenting, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Get your presentation on. Get your presentation on. PresenterMedia. Let your presentation up, better, faster.